And now I'm on tamoxifen. It's been 1.5 years I'm taking. 1.5 year.
1.5 years
already
on tamoxifen. Are you still taking tamoxifen today?
Yes. Yes.
Still.
And I've been advised to take it for 5 years.
You are on tamoxifen and you have done your chemo. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You are okay. No problem whatsoever?
My like little tired, small symptoms, little tired and gets irritated easily. Irritated sometimes, like
irritated easily, mood swing.
Yeah, mood swings.
You still have your period?
Yes.
Still period.
But not very regular.
Not regular. Yeah.
Sometime after a month, sometime after 1.5 months.
Yeah. Do you have pain before the period comes?
Lower stomach, lower back,
okay.
legs.
Pain starts 3-4 days before the
period. Okay. Bloated stomach. Your breast pain? Do you feel pain? No. Any here?
Yeah, stomach, and legs.
Okay.
Now this is what my main concern. You go for ovarian, but it will just add 2 to 3% to your life. He is saying himself. But
what?
Like if you go for ovarian ablation, it will the chances of the cancer coming back is it will be reduced by 2 or 3%.
That's it.
To reduce by 2 or 3%.
Yeah, that's it. And for 2
and
or 3%.
after to cut off all your uterus that God gave you.
Yes.
And reduce by 2 to 3%.
That's it. That's why I come all the way from India, because I'm not ready for it. And I have to, then after that, I have to face all the things, what will happen to me.
Let me just say to you, you can record what I tell you. Go ahead, tell everybody in your home family if you want to. Now, we understand everybody loves you. We understand it. I do all this thing because I care for other people. I care for you. I don't want you to be unhappy. I don't want you to be more miserable. Okay? So, the argument say everybody cares. I know you care for her. I know your father cares for you. Fine. But do you care in the right way or not? What do I do? Am I a medical doctor? No. I'm a PhD. I was a professor. I use my knowledge and plan to help people. But I use my brain to think. Telling you to remove your uterus and you only have a benefit of 2 or 3%. What about the other side? After removing all your uterus, what are the effects that you're going to suffer?
Yeah.
You don't care.
Yeah, that's what I care. What will happen, that what all I will face.
Yes, you will face a lot of problems. Those people around you must follow the doctors.
Yeah.
Do you think the doctors are always right? But you suffer. Do you want to suffer in life?
No.
No. Alright. So, I always see that allow the patient to make her own and his decision. Alright? Based on what you think your heart says. You know, when there are people who come and see me, they do not know what to do. I always ask the last question. You know what to do? What do you want to do? They don't know. Okay, never mind. Don't listen to me. After that, don't make any decision. You go home. No need to pay me. Go home. And I ask her one question. Whom do you pray to? Whom do you pray to? Do you pray to Ganesh? You pray to Shiva? You pray to Buddha? You pray to what? Go home, pray. Pray to who you are praying to. And ask the universe, what is the best answer for me? I believe you will get an answer.
I do that.
That's exactly.
I do that, and what I call is I don't go for that ovarian surgery.
I expect that.
If I wasn't so strong in my decision, then in this procedure, this thing has been also added like 1 year before only. From the last 1 year, my doctor, my loved one, everyone keep on saying to keep me on safer side, go for this. But I am very strong on this thought, and I always sometimes sit and what you are saying to ask God, is it correct or not correct? Am I doing the right thing by taking this such a big decision? And I always got the answer, yes, you are on a right track. But still, when I go to visit doctor, and again he said, you got your periods, go for this, your hormones are aggravate now, the chances of recurrence will more. And then obviously my husband, my mother, they are concerned and they love me, and they again go. And this whole thing is going on after such a long treatment that I have taken.
So my advice to you is exactly like that. Follow your path. You make the decision. Say, thank you very much. That's it. Are you happy?
I'm happy. More than happy.
Okay.
I think like we did a good thing that we come to you. But all the things have been clear, not from my mind, from his mind. I think so. Because I've been clear in my thoughts.
Yeah.
But I want him to understand what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So I
Okay.
guess he understands by talking to you.
I'm glad I can talk to you
Yeah,
in one
yeah.
day. Okay?
That's it.
And take care. You only can cure yourself. Nobody can cure you.